Hi, this is Elbin from Team Discovery. This is the software testing video for our project. Team Discovery is a group of final year computer science students from the University of Adelaide. Currently, we are working on a project called Hazard Removing Robot. In this video, we will be discussing about the following contents. Importance of testing, testing tools used in our project, types of testing that were done in our project, and challenges we faced during our project. Why testing? Testing helps to demonstrate the developer and the customer that the software meets its requirements. This leads to validation testing. Secondly, testing helps to discover situations in which the behavior of the software is incorrect or undesirable, which leads to defect testing. Testing policies. Testing policies will actually help to select and define test cases. All functions accessed through the menu should be tested. Combination of functions accessed through the same menu should be tested as well. Wherever user input is required, all functions must be tested with all possible inputs. Moving on to testing tools. We have only used one testing tool in our project, and it is JUnit. JUnit is a testing framework for Java programming language. When integrated with an IDE such as Eclipse, it is easy to create and run test cases. Types of testing. In this section, we will discuss about the different types of testing that we have done during our project. The first one is unit testing. At the beginning of the project, we created some basic tests to test the functionality of sensors and motors, such as color sensor, ultrasonic sensor, etc. During the course of the project, we used JUnit to test individual components such as methods. This is an example of a JUnit code that we used in our project. This test class, setRobotT20, is to test the functionality of robot position method. We first create an object for GMCS, then we load the map into it, then we call the map robot position with new position input values 1 and 1. Then we will use the assert equal function to check whether the isRobot set flag is true. The isRobot set flag will only be true when the robot is set in the map. So if the isRobot set flag is false, it means that the test fails. The next type of testing is regression testing. Regression testing is all about testing existing software code to make sure that the last change or addition hasn't broken the existing functionality. In our project, whenever there was a new component added, either on the GMCS or on the robot side, we ran all those previously successfully executed test cases once again to check for any potential defect. System testing. A complete and integrated code is tested. The purpose of this test is to evaluate the system compliance with the specified requirements. We had done system testing before each milestone to make sure that the system has covered all the deliverables. Acceptance testing. The purpose of this test is to evaluate the system compliance with the software requirement specification (SRS). We have checked whether the robot behaves exactly as described in SRS mainly by doing black box testing, such as grab and lift test, obstacle detection test, line following test, etc. Testing report. Our team had a brainstorming session to list all the necessary test cases. Then we randomly assign those tests to our team members. Then the team members are supposed to come up with a test report for each test case they are assigned. A test report will look like this. A test report will specify testing approach, whether it is white box testing or black box testing is being done. Test report will have a small description about the test done, objective of the test, and passing criteria for the test to pass. Testing report will also have precondition that we must fulfill before we start testing. Testing report will have input specification specifying the input values for testing and the output specification for specifying the desired output. Team member then will determine whether the test passed or failed based on the difference between output and desired output. We had faced a lot of challenges during testing in our project. Testing is very time consuming. None of the team members had hands-on experience with the JUnit before. Not all the tests can be automated. Most tests needs the robot to be around. Some bugs can't be figured out, such as invalid sensor mode on the robot side. Sensors sometimes output dumb values which are very difficult to reproduce. That's all I have for software testing. Thank you for watching our video.